What's good, YouTube? I said, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy trellmix, man. You feel me? Back at it with another video, man. Today we got a mukbang. You know what I'm saying? At the Licking, you feel me? My nigga Tony recommended this shit, so we finna see what this shit talking about. No cap. Feel good in here. Yeah, they tint dark as fuck. They got, you said chicken tenders again? Man, this nigga ate chicken tenders the whole trip, man. That's crazy. Yeah.
Tell that nigga drop his nuts, man, and get something.
I don't eat lobster. I don't eat pasta. I don't eat fish.
Nah, how he gonna get a grown bitch? He don't eat none of that. He gotta eat lobster, shrimp all day.
Babe, I'm gonna get a steak.
He wants
What
some
you eat when you go out to eat with a female?
steak.
Oh.
Oh, okay. Okay, that's cool. That's cool.
She just came in and said he better not get that, and that's exactly what he tried to get. We got steak, you don't want steak.
But can I get shrimp Alfredo? Add lobster. And then can I also get the lobster mac and cheese?
Wait, you said lobster mac and cheese you don't have today.
I don't have today. Alright. Just a shrimp Alfredo and add lobster. And then drink. Can I get a blueberry lemonade?
You see how much your lobster Alfredo is?
Huh?
Your lobster Alfredo is $50. The price is $50.
You said it's not correct?
Lobster Alfredo is $50. You want it? Or you want something else?
Yes. So, yeah. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Alright, you have the rest of your day. Yeah, man, bag secured, you feel me? I'm gonna let y'all know how this shit tastes when we get back to the crib, no cap. Yeah, y'all, we just got back to the crib, you know what I'm saying? Finna try this shit out. Got this too, blueberry lemonade. This shit look good. Feel me? Eat this shit right here, you know what I'm saying? Don't waste no time. Got lobster. I got lobster Alfredo and shrimp with ass shrimp. You ain't eating your food?
I already ate.
Well, this shit good as fuck. What is it? Alligator? Yeah. Oh, this shit good for it. Yeah, y'all. This shit's so fire, boy, I ain't gonna lie. We need one of these in Omaha. This shit's so good, man. But yeah, we still in Florida right now. Wife gonna go up, you know what I mean? Type shit. You already ate too? You already ate? That shit is good as fuck. Hey y'all, this is so good. That's sauce.
That's so far.
Why you ain't getting none?
Go in the shower over here.
Yeah. This shit so good, boom. How does this lobster shit work? It's not. But yeah.
Who committed that murder right there?
Huh?
Who committed that murder right there? God damn.
What's in there?
Shit, a whole bunch of snails.
I thought BP just came out of there.
Nah, nigga, you came out that mother.
That nigga lit off of a human out there. So I ain't gonna find it. Yeah, that was the punch me as soon as I came in that I walked out in.
I'm gonna try to drink now.
Hey, bro, I already remember this song. I can't figure that before. Like, fine, how I pop my house over there. I'll probably book my right now.
Let me see.
What? Oh, God. That nigga start looking for the talent to the game. Now, you know what I'm talking about, though, that rock song?
Shit good as fuck. I mean, look at it. It look good, don't it? I'm already knowing. Oh, that shit's so good. But yeah. Man, if everybody believes in this stuff, they know what they do. You still got some of this, Devin. I don't know.
Oh, you can't get put on to this. I just seen your shit on there. Oh, it's on my bed.
Bueno. Well. It was only about March 18th. I can't wait to see where we at by the end of the year, you know what I'm saying? And the year after that year, you feel me? Because I don't really go by like months and all that. Because honestly, man, you never know when you could blow up, you know what I mean? So, take it day by day. You'll never get mad when you don't blow up quick because it ain't like that, you know what I'm saying? You gotta work for everything that you want in life, no cap. Yeah, that's why, like anybody in like a small city or state, they need to travel so they can see how life is in other states, man, because it's a big eye opener for you. Mm. Mm. Oh, this is so good. Can't believe this shit. Boy. Yeah. One thing about me, I got confidence no matter where I come. No matter what room I'm in, none of that shit, you feel me? It's always gonna be like that, no cap. Come on, you got blueberry lemonade too? That shit good, ain't it?
Snappers.
Huh?
They say that snappers.
Yeah, you ain't lying. That shit good as fuck. Then we go to a fancy restaurant, they say? Give me something small then, cause it's, yeah.
I'm about to be next on that toilet.
Mm. Mm. You know, I always be curious about y'all. Well, that person is not confident in themselves and their abilities, you feel me? Like, if God made you in the image of Him, what makes you think that you can't do anything in this world? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Like I said in the Smidge's Rise video, mukbang video. Prayer, manifesting, focusing. That's how you really achieve your dreams. Well, you don't give up and shit? You ain't gonna come, man. I ain't gonna lie. Mm. Yo, this shit fill you up quick, I ain't gonna lie. You done already? Huh?
Just freshen it up.
Nah, me too, we ain't even do nothing. But if I had to rate this, probably like an 8.5. You know what I'm saying? This shit is good and it fill you up. This shit fire. I feel like I'm probably gonna say this a little bit later because it's a lot. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, definitely good. 8.5 out of 10. And also, don't what's it called? Don't be keeping up with the Joneses, man. You do that, it's gonna be hard for you to live life trying to keep up with other niggas, man. I don't know why niggas do that. That's like the worst. That's the worst mistake you can make. I ain't gonna lie. Hey, Dad, why they be doing that, man?
I let them do what they do. Get out their way.
Yeah. All you gotta do in this world is worry about yourself. And that's just how I gotta be, you know what I'm saying? Worry about yourself, not nobody else.
Stay in their lane.
You stay in your lane and boom, there
Hop
you
in
go.
mine.
Oh yeah. Just focus on yourself. Try to better yourself every day. Hey.
Have a private lane.
Yeah, you ain't lying.
Hello?
Mm.
We're trying to go to this restaurant, bro.
It's just so damn good. Fuck. But yeah, I'm probably finna throw this in the thing. This is a lot. Shit kinda like sauces fill you up quick, okay. Yeah, as you can see, I'm a small creator. At the time of this video, I probably got like 700-800 subs, some shit like that. But watch how it get, you know what I'm saying? And then people come back to this and see my journey, you know what I'm saying? Cause I know what I'm gonna do, and I know who I am as a person. So it's gonna happen regardless. And ain't nothing gonna stop me, no cap. But yeah, y'all, hopefully y'all like this little mukbang and shit, you know what I'm saying? Food was good. Give y'all a little advice and shit, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. We gonna keep chasing this dream of being a star. But I already am a star. But the world gotta know that too, you know what I'm saying? They gonna know that eventually, you feel me? And when it's like that, you know what I'm talking about? So, I hope y'all liking the content. Like, comment, subscribe, you feel me? I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video, man. No cap.